Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're diving into the world of AI art generation. So we've got something truly incredible to talk about, which is TensorArt 2. That is basically a free AI image generator that is no doubt pushing the boundaries of realism. So yeah, this video, I will actually talk about the free AI image generator, which is insanely realistic. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So let's just say you want to create a portrait which should be, realistic, which is close to reality, and we should have like the real person, and you want to create that portrait with the help of prompts, right? Like with the help of text. So now with the help of this amazing TensorArt AI tool, you can literally do that by just writing prompts, and you can create like real person of literally your description, like whatever description you will put in the prompts, the same exact person, Tensor AI tool will create them for you. So like this is totally insane. Like how cool is that? All right, so now first of all, we're gonna open our Google Chrome and we're gonna type here TensorArt. And straight away, we'll open our first link right over here. All right, so this is basically the homepage of TensorArt. So, first of all, without doing anything, you just have to go to the top right and sign in first of all before using TensorArt. All right, so after that, you are signed in. So now we can go straight ahead, start using TensorArt right away. And yeah, as you guys can see in the homepage, we have a lot of animations, right? So we have like Rayman, cartoons, we have fantasies, we have anime, we have like haunted, like all kinds of animations are present. But the motive of this video is to create realistic, like real human beings, right? With the help of like whatever description you're gonna put in the prompts. So for that, we just have to go to one model, and that is this one named Juggernaut Aftermath. Okay, so this particular model will help you create very realistic human-like subjects or portraits for you. All right, so you need to click on this one, and straight away after that you need to click on run right over here. All right, so after that, this kind of editing page will appear on your screen, which will have basically a lot of information, which is text to image, image to image, and animate. So yeah, the motive of this video is to be going to create portraits out of text. So yeah, then we have like a LoRa ad control. Now this is basically more details if we're gonna jump into that, but I'll recommend you guys to straight away stay on the default settings. So because the magic is in the prompts in this video. All right, so and now it's asking you to enter prompts and negative prompts. So what are negative prompts? Negative prompts are literally the opposite of prompts. So prompts are the description that you're going to provide, that you want to see in your portraits, whereas the negative prompts are going to be those descriptions that you don't want in your portraits. Okay, so these are basically kind of opposite of your prompts. So yeah, let's just say for the first prompt, I'm just going to go ahead and go simple. I write here. Okay, so for the first prompt, let's just say I go for a beautiful woman with curly hair, close-up portrait, and realistic. And for the negative prompts would be the things that I don't want in the portrait, so that I can provide, let's just say, no blur, ugly face, extra hands, and extra eyes. Okay, so if I can go ahead and use these prompts as my description, and I can go ahead and click on generate. So let's just see what kind of images this Tensor AI tool will make for me. All right. All right, so our portrait is done. So we provided a beautiful woman, curly hair, close-up portrait, realistic. The prompt was quite, obvious, but if I can go ahead and open my image, so soon you realize, this doesn't look that much realistic. Why? So it's a lot making a cartoonish look to me, right? So now, with the help of this magic prompt, we can do one thing, right? We can basically, add more details to these photos, add more texture so that, it just looks like a human face, with all those details, grains and everything. So now, what is our magical prompt? Let me show you that. So instead of this prompt, we're gonna write here, beautiful lady, freckles, big smile, dark makeup, hyper detailed photography, soft light, head and shoulders portrait cover. So now you will realize, we have added more and more details to our prompt, just to make our photo more and more realistic, more and more natural, because, the more you're going to add into the prompt, the more, it will add it to the description, and eventually you will get extra detail and realistic photos. All right. And for the negative prompts, this is also very, very easy. And for the negative prompt, you're going to do the similar. You're going to provide more and more information, so that it should be quite obvious for the description and those things you won't find in the image. And, that will help it to make it more and more realistic. Okay. So yeah, with now all these descriptions, let me just go ahead and generate once again, and let's see what difference it's going to make now. All right, so now check out this image, like how good and how realistic this all looks, So we provide a description like beautiful lady, freckles, big smile, dark makeup, and everything now is in the photo, and it looks too much realistic. Look at the hairs, look at the details, look at the texture on the face and everything. So now it basically helps us to clear. So if you add more and more description in the prompt, if you have more and more details in prompt and negative prompts, so eventually it will help you make more and more realistic and more real, natural portraits for you guys. So yeah, I hope you like this mini tutorial. So from here, you can go ahead and simply download this image for you very easily. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.